hours and 5 minutes, and we shall be cruising at an assigned altitude of 37,000 feet.
Ito, pogi din man. Oh.
Akin ka naman.
Tumalikod.
Uy, akin yun. Ay, sa'yo na. Kuya, sa'yo na.
Kuya, kumakain ka ng biryani.
Tapos sa kuya, kumakain ka din.
Tumalikod. Sabi ko, pogi, tumalikod.
Kumakain ka ba
Ayun,
ng
ayun.
kuya?
Pogi rin pala yun, oh. Oo.
Boss.
Pogi, Diyos ko.
Ladies and gentlemen, we begin
Ay, may
with
asawa na
the
yan.
features of
Ito
this
wala.
aircraft. The passenger seatbelt push snaps together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen the buckle.
Ay, may isang poging
Loosen
dito.
fasten the top of buckle and pull free hand to release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your
Aray
infant's
ko.
waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body.
Kung may
The
emergency.
vest over your head. Take tape around your waist and push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, the oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face covering, immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth.
Grabe,
Pull
pogi
the left
talaga.
mask for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to
Saan yung
remove
pogi
it.
ko dyan?
If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on
Ay,
first
menopause
before
na.
assisting them.
Minupos ka na.
The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. Fire extinguishers are positioned around the aircraft. Instructions on how to use them are seen on the fire extinguisher buttons. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin,
Tanungin mo na lang kung may anak siya.
Di, anak ko yun sa labas.
exits during
Oo, nasa
evacuation.
labas.
For further information,
Labas ng
please
mundo.
study the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Alien.
In
Uy, saan na
preparation
yun?
for takeoff, ensure your
Saan?
seatbelt
Nasa
is
pogi ka.
Artista yan eh.
seat backs in upright
Artista yun.
position.
Ay, umalis na si
Large
Pogi.
electronic
Entertainment yan.
Saan?
tablets stowed
Ah,
in
si
your
ano yan?
Parang
Si,
dancer.
Masungit.
tingnan natin paglabas niya. Pogi pa rin yan.
Oo.
Ay, nakatalikod. Pogi. Ay! Ayun na.
Pero.
Seatbelt na na tayo.
Ay, seatbelt ka na daw.
Sus, pastilan.
Ano pangalan mo, Pogi? Eman, what's your...
Pacquiao.
Pacquiao. Pacquiao.